Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub. And in this video, I'm gonna analyze the gold market technically for the next Monday to Friday, and we are going to break down the market trends, fundamental factors, and also technical factors like support and resistance, trend line, and key zones also. So let's get started. And as per our analysis style, we always start our analysis with high time frame to get market direction, and then we will find out our market path with lower time frame. Okay, so let's get back into weekly time frame to find out our market path or direction. And as per you can see there, from long time ago market is moving in bullish direction, and there is from last 1 month or 1.5 month market is trying to create a pattern over here in that particular area. And if I especially want to see, last week candle is closed with bearish, and the previous week there was a strong bullish momentum. Okay, what we can do or what we can expect here, as you can see there, if I want to draw a support level from the weekly candle or weekly time frame, as you can see there, that can be our next support level to go sell. That means for weekly candle, if gold continue to drop in next week, gold may fall down till 4132 zone. Okay, and let's get back into daily time frame to find out our more direction or more data. And as you can see there, if I want to draw a trend line zone over here, if I want to make it perfect, okay, we will make it more perfect in H4 time frame. As you can see there, there is also a another trend line, that means more perfect. We will make that more perfect on H4 time frame. Okay, and as you can see there, there is a zone, that means if gold fall down more, it can be drop till that particular area, then we can consider a buy entry, depend on the candle confirmation. And one more thing in H4 time frame, let's go for H4 time frame. Okay, if I want to draw another trend line from the upper side or upper zone, there is the particular area, that means this area is very important. If gold drop till that particular area, then we can consider a buy entry, depend on the candle confirmation. So we have to wait for that. Okay, and if I want to draw another support level, resistance level over there, okay, if I want to try, or if I want to draw, let me make it perfect. Okay, perfect now. And as you can see there, 1 2 3 times gold just respected that particular area. And if gold give us a bullish momentum starting, that means Monday, then we can consider sell entry, or we can think about sell entry in that particular zone. Okay, that means 3 times previously there is 3 times respected that area, or if it give us a bullish breakout, then we can wait for pullback, then we can consider a buy entry. Okay, and let's get back to H1 time frame to find out our entry, or where we can take entry. To check that, we need to go for H1 time frame. Okay, so let's find out proper channel or support and resistance zone. As you can see there, there is already in our support trend line zone, so we can't enter right now. We have to wait till market open, then we can consider buy or sell entry. If market give us a bullish confirmation to go buy, then we can consider a buy entry. We have to wait for a candle, like there is previous a lot of confirmation over there, and we have to wait for that kind of confirmation also. That means candlestick confirmation. Otherwise there can be another scenario, like it can be give us a breakout, then we will wait for a pullback over here, then we can consider a sell entry. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, where is the example? Okay, let's find out another example in trend line. I want to see that on bullish side, as you can see there. Okay, like that. As you can see there, there is a bullish breakout, then there is a pullback, then there is a candle confirmation to go buy. Okay, each and every time market give us a candle confirmation to go buy, there is a candle confirmation to go buy. We will wait for that kind of confirmation. After it breaks our support trend line, then we need to wait for pullback, then we can consider a sell entry. Till which area? You may ask me, Mr. Boom, till which area? If I want to go for sell, till our this demand area. Okay, and if I want to consider upper level, that means resistance level, as you can see there, this is a very good resistance area to take sell entry or for sell entry. As you can see there, if market give us a bullish breakout, then we will wait till that particular area. Then if we get any candle confirmation to go sell, then we can take sell entry or consider a sell entry over there. Okay, so this is the basic thing, or this is the basic theory. We can say that you can sell here, buy here. We have to wait for the market open, then we can consider a buy or sell entry. And for scalpers or for small time frame traders or for small investor, you must ask Mr. Boom where we can take buy or sell entry. Okay, as you can see there is M15 time frame selected, and let's find out our direction, or let's find out our market path. Okay, as you can see there is already a breakout, already a pullback and confirmation to go sell. So we already taken a sell entry in last Friday, so we already closed with good profit, and there is a chance to go more down. Okay, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, where we can consider a buy entry, or where we can wait for a buy entry. You can wait for a scalping buy entry within this supply area, demand area. Okay, within this demand area. Okay, and as you can see there, we have also, if I want to more long trend line over here, we already have in our support trend line zone. So we will wait for this demand area, then we can consider a buy entry. Okay, so this is the thing for now. And if you want to know more, or if you want to get real-time data or real-time update from our analysis or from Mr. Boom, then you can join our public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. There we are sharing or posting a lot of market analysis, like fundamental things and technical thing also. So you can join there to get real-time data update or real-time update each and every moment. Okay, and there is also two things coming in upcoming week. Number one is FOMC. Okay, FOMC. Another one is jobless climb. Okay, you have to keep your concern on that two thing also. Okay, if there is more interest rate cut from Fed, then we can consider buy entry for gold. If there is less interest rate, or there is more interest rate add on gold, we can consider sell entry for that. We'll update in detailed video or detailed analysis in upcoming week. So better you may join our public Telegram channel to get that in real time. Okay, so I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis or free fundamental analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.